Let's get the emotions flowing and create some sad music. For that I'm going to choose a very basic soft piano. From Labs, free to download. In the piano roll I'm going to choose the minor scale because they have sad tones. So the E minor one. Let's create the bass notes. I'm going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. And let's create triads out of these chords. And let's listen to them now. I will set the tempo here to 90. Let's listen to this already. I think I like it better when I switch those. So let's see if this is better. I like it better in this order, and then it loops nicely. Now I'm going to add a bass layer for this. So let's look for a nice guitar in Flex that can work with that. Let's look here to the essential guitars. Maybe this one. No, not this one. Chill guitar. Well, let's look into the bass guitars then. I found some cool ones here, but I forgot the names. So this might work. Maybe need a little bit warmer, but let's check it out. And let's delete this one here. And put them 1 octave down. Maybe 1 up. Maybe layered. Okay, I think I like it best when it's like this. But then I need to adjust the volume. It gives this deep emotion, which is what we're going for, right? Okay, and now I want to layer this with a violin, a sad violin. So again, in Flex, everyone has Flex here. So let's go here to the essential strings. Yeah, this is very sad. Nice. So let's copy and paste those here in the violin. Oh, can you feel it, my boys and girls? Yes, this is it. So let's change the volume for this. I feel like a flute is also a very sad part in this. So let's look here back again for a flute. Check in the all category for the flute. This is it. Okay, let's copy and paste the chords in here. Let's solo this one out. Okay, so I'm on a flute right here. But this time, where is it? Arpeggiate. Let's look at it better. Yes. Okay, before I'm going to add some drums, I'm going this pattern right here, and then let's split it by channel. So this is my sad piano, which I want throughout my song. Then my bass line. I want it to come here after the start. And then also the violin kicks in. And then, well, let's say the drums here. So then I have this. And let's end it on the violins. So now for the drum pattern. Let's create a pattern for the drums right here. So I think this is the tricky part of sad music, to find the right sounds for your drum. So I found this lo-fi pack here. It's free on the internet. You can read it. The Lunar Open Head pack. Not the Open Head pack, so it's the Lunar pack. And let's go through the sounds. Let's here go to the kicks. I want the softer one, not the in-your-face one. I think this might do. Let's get rid of those. This might be handy, and let's look for snare. And let's get those in between. No, that's too much. Let's put it on. Now, I don't want to get too funky with this. See some subtle variation, and each 4 bars I want a unique one. So I'm going to change something of this. Okay. Let's here go to create unique, make unique. So I have drums number 2. Let's put it back to pattern. Feel some, no swing. We don't want swing, we want set. Just experimenting. Yeah, I think this is the one that I was looking after. So let's get rid of those here and here. So then I can paste my variation in. And this could be the start of a very sad song and a very easy progression going in. And this might be the result. Let's hear it. I think this is already what we're after, but I'm missing some pads right here, and this is what I found here, just thought of it. No, this is not the style we're going for. Too happy. Too evil. Very evil. Creepy. This is it. This is the one, my friends. This is the one you'll be waiting for. And I think Alt to line it along here. So it fades out, and it's here. It needs to fade in slowly. So let's listen for this right here. Very subtle. I think I wanted also here some more of this, so then I need to crossfade it in a bit and fade it out in here. Let's look at this part. Okay, it's very subtle, so there you go. And let's listen to the full track with the ambient pads in. So my friends, that's the finished result. Hope you got some inspiration. Let me know if you like this unedited style format where I make videos from start to finish without cutting in between and preparing stuff, just going through it like this and making mistakes or fixing bugs, whatever you like. Let me know and see you in the next video. Bye bye.